Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of RnR.
Today we'll be going to
Ocean City.
Yeah. It's raining.
It's only a little bit of rain.
Watch the rain right there. Right there.
It's only a little bit. This is drizzling.
At least we gonna get wet.
So it's drizzling, but it didn't say it was gonna rain. And Robbie was looking at the clouds the whole time, like it looks like it's gonna rain. I'm like, it's not gonna rain, babe. And he's like, it's gonna rain. And the weather just said partly cloudy. That is gonna, but that is
No, it says sunny.
Mostly sunny. No, it said partly cloudy till 3 or 4.
Look at this. Great. Drifting and all that.
They not. No one is drifting.
We're talking about that.
Keep going.
Kentucky Fried Chicken is the chicken.
Wait, it's right here. Wait, where is that though?
It's together, remember?
What the hell? That's metal.
Look away. We're gonna get our food now.
What did I just tell you? I just don't do that to me.
Don't do it to me.
Don't do it to me then.
Okay.
You want me to take for IHOP later?
Huh?
You want me to take for IHOP later?
Yeah, that'd be great. That'd be wonderful. A great turn of events.
No, I was just saying how I haven't really been paying for the food.
She hasn't been paying for nothing.
That's how I like it. And if I'm happy, the whole world happy.
You happy?
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Wait, let me check it before we pull off, babe. Babe.
What?
Where's your food at?
Underneath.
Oh.
Oh my.
Let me check it. Let me check it.
Oh, she crashed.
Skirt!
Yes.
Everybody don't like Taco Bell. Every time I tell people I go to Taco Bell, they be like, why?
Biscuit.
It's smush. But
Kentucky Fried Chicken. He's the chicken. That's the thing, man. Everybody just wants money.
what kind of money does I have in this world? Everything revolves around money. You need money to buy this food. If you ain't buy me food and keep me fed, you won't have a girlfriend. See? Money.
What basically what she's trying to say is that she's using me for my money.
If I was going to use somebody for their money, it'd be somebody with some money.
I cut that out.
I couldn't do that though. I told you that one millionaire dude kept trying to talk to me, and he offered to send me money, and then I just stopped talking to him. It felt funny.
Look at you. Could have been a millionaire.
He would have been a millionaire. He's the millionaire.
I don't know who would show his assets for you.
Hey, yeah. He just wanted to get in my panties.
Could be like your Massimo.
He just liked that we was the same height.
What?
He was short.
So what she's trying to say is that if you're short and you have money, it don't matter.
No? What are you talking about? What I'm trying to say is he wanted me because I was his height. And of course, because I'm gorgeous and everything, smart. But yeah.
She's smart, she's beautiful.
Yeah. This don't taste good.
She don't know how to cook though.
What I need to know how to cook for? I cook some things, and I got you.
I don't even know how to cook myself. Half of the time I'm winging it.
Oh, it is what it is.
Park right here. That wave over there, my body surfing. Body surfing that wave. Girls love checking each other's body out.
Huh?
Girls love checking each other's body out.
Yeah, they. I'm sweating, y'all.
Try hook it up right there.
Hook it up where?
The bowl.
Ooh, that's okay.
To be honest, I just want to sleep.
You just want to sleep?
Sorry.
Oh, gosh. Oh, no. My hella rough. So, I decided to get into the water with my sunglasses on to protect my eyes. I didn't think I was going to get, you know, that wet. Look at my hair, as you can tell. And a wave came and smacked me down and my glasses with it. And they're gone. Yeah. Luckily, those glasses are only like $4, but that's besides the point. I like them. And now I don't have any glasses to wear for the rest of the day. I'm gonna have to wear Robbie's glasses, and guess what? He's not gonna have any glasses to wear now.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys. Do not recommend these waves today. I'm not feeling them at all.
They're baby waves.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Hey, babe, look.
Oh, like
That's it, bro. Get in the water. They calling us.
you were literally about to get back in. Oh, time to go. Why are they closing it though?
Might as well just pack everything back.
Yeah. So guys, we're back from the beach now. Well, we're still at the beach, but we're in the car. We just put everything away. And as you can see, I took Robbie's glasses. Well, I borrowed them for the day. He doesn't need them. I need them more. And yeah, kind of tired. We're about to go to IHOP. Haven't been there in a while.
Yep.
You want to say something? I feel like I've been talking most of this vlog.
Oh, the IHOP about to close.
What time they close?
7.
We can't go there then because they're about to close. I don't know where we're going to go to eat, but we'll find somewhere along the way.
Probably IHOP. We'll see.
As you know, everything closes early now, and it's 6:40.
Damn.
A lot of things close at 7.
We'll see.
Same.
It was fun. The waves were amazing. I was trying to get Rayona to come in the waves.
I did go on the way, that's why I lost my glasses.
Yeah, no?
And my eyes kept burning. Water was getting into my eyes, making my eyes burn.
You gotta close your eyes.
My eyes were closed.
And how is it still getting in the eyes?
Because it's water. And I had to open my eyes eventually. And then the water drips into your eye. Dude.